Hello everyone, so I am back with my second video. On my first video, I covered how to create a Google site, and we finished in these results here. As you can see, we named the title of the site, which only you can see. We named the page, which you can see in here, and we changed the banner behind the title. And now we're going to talk about um, changing themes. I can change many themes, like this one, that one. I like this one. I want to keep it simple. And also, I will be talking about covering adding pages. So, this page here is the home page, as you can see here. And it's the first page you're gonna hit when you enter the site. So, if I want to add another page, I'll click here on Add Page. I will name my page. Let's say I'll call it About, which in this page I'll be talking about what this site is for. So about the Arabic class site. I can add another page. I can call it resources. You know, as an Arabic teacher, I use many resources. I need to give kids the opportunity to access resources in Arabic, such as, for example, videos, books, etc. I can actually in the next of each page here, you can find those three dots, and in those three dots, when you click them, you can make this page as a home page, make a copy, properties, add a subpage, hide from navigation, and delete. So I want to add subpage here in resources. I want to add videos, and I want to add another one and call it books resources. And we can also add, for example, articles. And the way it works, you can see here those subpages under the resource page. And in the website itself, you can see here home, about, and resources. Here you can enter videos or books or articles. It's a cool way to organize the site.